Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Slips in place. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Edge and it's gone for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. They are calling for 2. That's 6. They picked up the length very early. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is a very quick signal taken. Chance of a run out, and that looks very close. He is taking the long walk towards the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. Slips in place. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, that must have really hurt. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Edged and onto the stumps. He's gone. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. And he helps himself to a six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. What a ball. That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery.
Deep point in place.
That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out-stumped. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day. In the end, the top...
Let's congratulate